हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू डूइंग टुडे? फ्रेंड्स, एक बात बताएं, आप में से कितने लोग एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना चाहते हैं? टाइप आई इन दी चैट बॉक्स राइट नाउ इन द कमेंट सेक्शन अगर आप एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना चाहते हैं। सेकंड क्वेश्चन ये है कि क्या आपके पास पैसे नहीं हैं एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने के लिए? टाइप वाई फॉर येस इन द चैट बॉक्स। वेल फ्रेंड्स, मैं एक छोटी सी स्टोरी आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ जिसमें कि सुनिए उसमें क्या है। इनका नाम है, जिनकी मैं बात करने जा रही हूँ, ये है सुभाषिनी मिस्त्री। शी इज़ दी पद्मश्री अवॉर्डी। ग्रेट, आपके लिए बहुत काम का लेसन रहेगा कृष्णमूर्ति जी। आई एम श्योर यू गोइंग टू लर्न अ लॉट फ्रॉम दिस स्मॉल स्टोरी दैट आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विद यू एंड वेलकम टू माई एफबी लाइव सेशन। गुड इवनिंग कृष्णमूर्ति, good evening Sanjay ji, welcome to my FB live session. So friends, I'm going to share a very small story with you. This is a story of a lady. Her name is Subhasini Mistry. She comes from Kolkata, right? And she is a Padma Shri awardee. She has received the Padma Shri award, and why? Let us talk a little bit about her background, about as to why did she receive a Padma Shri award. So she was very young, only 24 years old when her husband died. She had 4 children, right? बहुत छोटी उम्र में हस्बैंड की डेथ हो गई एंड ही हैड अ वेरी स्मॉल, कोई माइनर छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम थी, बट बिकॉज दे वर पुअर, गरीब थे, इस वजह से दे कुड नॉट गेट the treatment, the medical treatment in time, and because of which ये problem हो गई उनके साथ and he died and he left her with 4 children. अब क्या करना है? she had to earn for the kids. So what did she do? She started working as a domestic help in Kolkata, and she also started working as a vegetable vendor. Now she had 4 children and she could not afford to feed all the 4 children. So her eldest son, she sent the eldest son to an orphanage, but of course she was paying for his education regularly and she was in touch with him. So slowly and gradually she started making 100 rupees per month. 100 rupees per month में nothing happens, even though it was back in 1990s. Even then it was a very less amount, but then whatever little money that she earned, she started spending on her children, and slowly and gradually the income increased. तो जैसे जैसे इनकम बढ़ती गई, थोड़ा थोड़ा जैसे जैसे थोड़ा बहुत इनकम बेटर होती गई, she opened her savings account. She started putting whatever her savings were into that savings account. She could collect a little bit of money, and what did she do with that money? She bought a land in her husband's village. Once she bought a land, she told everybody around in her village that she wants to construct a hospital there. A vegetable vendor, a maid, had a dream. She wanted to construct a hospital there because her husband could not get timely treatment because of poverty. Isn't that sad, friends? It still happens in India. Let us agree to this. Well, she opened up this hospital. The villagers contributed. She was able to open up this hospital. And guess what? She does not charge anyone. Any of the patients coming in, they are treated free of cost. Yes, my friends. उनकी treatment free की जाती है. They attend to around 250 people, 250 patients every day. और जब इन patients को attend करते हैं, the doctors also do not charge them any fees. To attend 250 patients every single day is also not easy, my friends, isn't it? And the doctors are also ready to treat them free of cost. So in case you think that you do not have money because of which you're not able to become an entrepreneur, trust me, it is a myth. There are so many ways and means of doing things without money as well. Can we do? And can we not put in a big amount of money, rather focus on a very small portion of the money that we have and see what best can we do? And friends, this is how the government, when they got to know that she is doing such a great job, they awarded her the Padma Shri award. They recognized her contribution to the society. It is not easy. Anybody who starts a hospital, anybody who would like to earn, make it commercial, get more money out of it. But then she chose. She had a dream. She chose to live her dream. Her husband died because he could not get proper treatment because they were poor. So she decided to serve her people, the poor people. All those who come to her are treated without any money. The doctors are also great, doing a great job, treating the patients without any money. Isn't that phenomenal? How many of you agree that there is something that you can do about it? Her name is Subhasini Mistry, friends. You can Google her and find her on the net, and in case you can visit her, in case you are in Calcutta, in case you can just visit her place and help her out with her money, perhaps donate, or in whatever way you can help them out, do that, perhaps after lockdown. And that would be a great service to humanity. And by the way, her hospital is also known as the Humanity Hospital, Insaniyat Ka Aspatal. So friends, there are a lot of things around us that we can also do without money, but we stop ourselves and we keep on cribbing that we do not have any money, because of which we are not able to do certain things. It is wrong, my friends. There are so many things. As they say, where there is a will, there is a way. So this is what we need to understand, and not only understand, but also remember. So friends, in case you have any questions, you can always type them in the comment section right now. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anjali Gupta. I am an author, a speaker, a trainer, and an award-winning coach of public speaking. I come live on FB every single day because I have taken the resolution that I will be coming live on FB every single day in this year of 2020 for all the 365 days in this year. Number one reason of coming regularly every day on FB was because I wanted to do something different. Secondly, being a coach of public speaking, I understand one thing, that public speaking is the number one fear of the world and is a challenge for many Indians. So what is it that you can do? So to become better at public speaking, so that is why I make it a point that I come in between all of you and help you answer the questions in case you are facing any kind of a challenge, any kind of a problem in public speaking. So friends, it does not seem that you have any questions right now. So you can always post your questions after my video is over on the Facebook page or on the YouTube page, because my video will be posted at both these places. And I will be meeting you once again tomorrow with a new learning for all of you. This is Anjali Gupta signing off till we meet again tomorrow with a new learning for all of you. Bye bye. See you.